Experiencing issues with your US mobile device not connecting to 5G? You're not alone. As of September 2025, many users face this problem despite widespread 5G availability. First, confirm your mobile plan includes 5G data. Many unlimited plans include 5G, but some prepaid options may restrict it. Use your carrier's app or website to verify and enable 5G if needed. Next, ensure your device is 5G compatible and supports the necessary frequency bands. Use the FCC's device database or carrier compatibility checkers to confirm. Restarting your phone and updating to the latest software, like iOS 18.1 or Android 15, can also resolve software-related bugs preventing 5G connection. If these steps don't work, let's move on to APN settings and coverage checks in the next section. If your plan and device are 5G ready, incorrect access point name, APN settings, could be the culprit. APN configures how your device connects to the carrier's data network. Reset to default in your phone's settings, usually under Settings, Network, Mobile Data, APN. For Verizon, the APN is typically VZ Winternet. For T-Mobile, it's fast.tmobile.com. Contact your carrier for manual input if needed. Finally, confirm 5G coverage at your location using carrier maps like Verizon's coverage tool or apps like Speedtest. Buildings and weather can block signals. Move to an open area or consider a signal booster. A compatible SIM card and sufficient signal strength, negative 90 dBm or better for sub-6 GHz, are also crucial. If problems persist, a network reset or a visit to your carrier store may be necessary. Remember, AI-driven tools and carrier apps can often diagnose and fix issues in real time, offering solutions like APN resets or device updates, so use your carrier's app to its fullest.